All right, laddie. Well, I hope you need a bit of sunshine because Juliana almost chopped my head off there, calling for sunshine in the UK at this time.
Sunshine in the crypto market,
Okay.
a little bit of sunshine there. We're seeing, green market this morning, with extreme fear inching downward at this point. We're seeing 31 points, so it's getting closer to greed, at this point, and the market likes greed. That means everything is, getting really high, and traders are making money at this point. And looking at the market cap there, we're seeing holding on to that $1 trillion market cap there. It's up 4.93%, and we see volume traded $130.59 billion, up about 20.45%. And we see Bitcoin dominance there sitting at 41.24%. Price of Bitcoin this morning, $23,749. It did break that $23,000 resistance. It was the 22,000 first, then it broke the 23K. So traders are looking up for more upside at this point, but there's still caution, in this market right now because it's still quite volatile. Volume traded in Bitcoin, $47.30 billion, and Ethereum, they're holding on to that $1,500 mark there, up 0.13% this morning. Volume traded $22.37 billion. Let's bring in Olumide Adesina now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide.
The sunshine in the crypto markets today.
Hello, Olumide, can you hear me?
Yes,
so Olumide, the market is looking quite green. We're seeing the $1 trillion mark taking back at this point. How are you seeing the market? Is it out of the woods yet?
Yeah, it's looking more like a sunshine. It's looking more like the crypto market is having its bottom being sorted out. But, despite the fact that we saw major crypto lenders filing for bankruptcy, they're seeing green adoption, especially from key names. PNB Paribas recently announced that they will be accepting Bitcoin and crypto, offering crypto custody services. This is an entity that has trillions of dollars. We are also seeing major investors coming to the market as the dollar seems to be moderating from its record on concerns that the US Fed might not go extreme. But, having said all these things, it's very important to know that the Ethereum merge is also boosting. Ethereum is moving from the proof of work protocol to proof of stake. That also is giving environmental concerns much more excitement. So I think it's a very good step, but downside risks still remain, Ladi.
Yeah, there's still downside risk. That's why I said, most of these traders are still, quite cautious in this market. But at the end of the day, nobody wants to get left behind if this is, the bulls, back in at this point. But another news that we see, Dubai Crown Prince has laid out a metaverse strategy for the country. How's that supposed to work?
Well, I think looking at the future, virtual reality and the fact of augmentative functionality across many markets is really the key. One would expect a country that is heavily known for energy, UAE. So I think this is not a surprise, and they are really partnering with major players in the industry to bring in this technology. We're already seeing the likes of Facebook having to change their brand name to Meta for the exposing that reality.
Right, and we know we had the MPC decision yesterday. Were there any sound bites about crypto that, caught your attention?
Yeah, tweet, apart from the 100 basis point hike by the Monetary Policy Council, we saw the fact that they mentioned the e-Naira. The Apex Bank governor particularly highlighted the fact that one of the moderations in the gains of the e-Naira was partly because of the banks. The banks have refused to play their bidding. The banks are supposed to market the e-Naira adoption. And the reasons is because they feel like the e-Naira might take into their earnings, and that seems to be very true. But having said that, we saw an exciting report also that the e-Naira will partner with Nigeria's leading telecom, that's MTN Nigeria. That's to boost in the unbanked. And you know what that means, because MTN has one of the leading coverage in Africa's largest economy, and that practically could boost the e-Naira adoption the country so much needs.
Right. Well, we'll be watching out and seeing how adoption grows for e-Naira at this point. Thank you so much, Olumide.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so as I said, it's a green market we're seeing. It's mostly green, on the top also market cap, and we're seeing double-digit gains here with Waves there leading the counter up 21%, and Engine Coin, one of the metaverse tokens there, 64 cents, up 16.33%. So it's a green market.
Yeah, it's been green since over the weekend.
Yeah, it's been quite green. A little breather for traders at this point, even though it's still extreme fear.
Yeah.